Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing my makeup tutorial. I'm grabbing some sort of paint, and now I'm just lightly dabbing it under my eyes. One second. I'm confused. More paint. I think this is the same thing I just did. Not sure. Just need a little bit more, I guess. Now some sort of sponge. And now I'm just lightly dabbing again. Just around the eye. Now the other eye. Okay, 1 second. Little box. Oh, and a brush. Now I'm just gonna lightly feather my face. Little side profile action. And now I'm feathering it again. Oh, this just feels great. Now the other side, around the nose, neck. Am I putting this on my hair? I'm not really sure what's going on right now. Just around the outside of the face here. Okay, enough feathering. Oh, not quite. All right, hair up. Okay, now next. What next? Paintbrush and another small box. I'm now going around the eyes, and now I am coloring in around my eyes. A nice bronze color, I would say. Not really sure the point here, but okay, another different pencil, and now we're going under the eyes. I see. Okay. Love this. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely. Looking great. Okay. Now we got a little, what else? Okay, now we're going inside of the eye again. Nice little dab action. Okay, over the eye. I don't really see anything changing, but we are going to continue to color in above the eye. Okay. Ooh, a different brush and some pink stuff. Let's see what... Okay, we are feathering the face again now on the cheeks. Look, a little rosy. Back to the sponge. More dabbing. Not really seeing anything change here, but we are dabbing, across the nose. Around the... Okay, now we have a broken pencil that we are now using to brush the eyebrows. Okay, looking good, nice and brushed. Okay, look at this. We got a nice black pencil. We are now coloring, ouch, this looks painful, folks. We are now coloring the eye. Like so, okay. And now the other eye. Once again, right on the eyeball. This looks painful. I am coloring in my eyelid. Now the bottom. This might be more painful than the top. We are coloring now the inside of my eyelid on the bottom. Okay. Another pencil, doing the same exact thing. That, again, not seeing anything change, but we are going to continue to color the eye. Okay, maybe we're done. Oh, what is this? We have hot dog tongues. Ow, okay. I am now using hot dog tongues to curl my eyelashes. Okay, nice and curled, looking beautiful. Love this. Yep, right in your palm. We are going to take this. Oh, we're back to curling the eyelashes again, now with some sort of curved black paintbrush. We are now painting my eyelids. Okay. Now the other eye. Once again, curling upwards. I am painting my eyelashes. Perfect. Now on the bottom again. Extending and curling. What's next? Another black pencil. Okay, and we are now taking a Ticonderoga number 2 pencil and shading in the corners of my lips. Perfect. The bottom, and now sketching in the top part of my lip. Not really sure what this is doing. We are now drawing the outline of my lips. Wiping it off. Okay, one more thing. What's next? All good? Oh, one more? I'm not really sure what's going on here. One more. What did I come back with? Oh, of course. Finish it off with a little bit of Elmer's glue right on the lips. I love my glue stick. I always use it. It's the best. Right on my lips. Nice and sealed. Alright guys, here's the finished look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.